Check it
Three
out.
of them, four of them.
Check it out, y'all. Look. Caught the drones flying over the crib. What they doing tonight, y'all? Look, there go another one. Guiding. Look at all of them.
There's another one, Jay.
Got some special operations. Some operations going on. Look at that, man. What y'all got going on tonight? Y'all flying drones all over the crib. Some special military operations going on. Yeah. Got you on blast too, man. What y'all got going on? You still hanging out. Never know what they releasing in the air. It's crazy. They all in formation too. Look, there go another one. Got him too. Thought you was gonna get away. Got you too. Trying to catch up with your buddies. Yeah.
It seems like all of them coming from the airport way.
Yeah. What y'all got going on tonight? Got him. We out, y'all.
They sure can see.
I'm watching y'all, watching me. Right? Whatever y'all doing. I'm watching y'all, watching me. I don't know what y'all got going on.
There's more coming.
It's like an invasion. Like an invasion, y'all.
You know, I've been waiting for like a month now.
Is this the mother? Are these?
See some.
We ain't done, y'all.
You know what?
We got another one.
You know what?
Got him. You keep flying over here, man. What y'all got going on? Yeah. This should be a no-fly zone. Need to put that down.
They say